Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening NTrack and creating a new project. Set your sample rate and buffer size so latency stays manageable. Once done, choose the audio interface in Settings, then arm an audio track and check levels. You want peaks around -6 dB for headroom. Create MIDI tracks if you'll use virtual instruments, route inputs, and label tracks to stay organized. This early organization saves time later and prevents routing mistakes when you move to recording and editing. Now you record with a consistent workflow. Enable metronome and pre-roll so timing stays tight, then record multiple takes onto lanes for easy comping. Once recorded, listen through, select best phrases, and use lane editing to assemble a single clean take. Make surgical trims and fades to eliminate clicks. Then, perform basic corrective processing, EQ to remove muddiness, and a gentle compressor to control dynamics. Because fixing issues early simplifies mixing and preserves audio quality for later automation. Finish by balancing levels and panning to create space in the mix. Use sends for reverb and delay so effects stay consistent. Once blends feel right, automate volumes and plug in parameters to maintain dynamics across the song. Compare with a reference track to guide tonal balance. Finally, export stems if you need alternate mixes or bounce the final master at your target sample rate. If files sound off, check sample rates, buffer settings, and input/output routing as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.